If you buy this Contigo shaker bottle, just how long is it going to last you? Well, to give you an idea, I've been using this same Contigo shaker bottle since the very beginning of my fitness journey when I first learned about nutrition and macros and bought my very first protein powder. I've taken it with me on my travels where it survived in my backpack or duffel bag through various road trips, airplane turbulence, and lots of drops as well. And I started my fitness journey 9 years ago. That's right, this Contigo shaker bottle is 9 years old, and even though, as you can see, the white coating on the logo has worn off over time, the bottle itself has held up perfectly, and I've continued to use it almost every single day to this day. If you look at it really closely, you can see a couple of scratches on the inside from where I've been shaking it twice a day for the past 9 years, using it for both my pre-workout and my protein powder, but the bottle itself has held up completely fine. There have not been any leaks or any issues with clasp closing or anything like that whatsoever. So if you're looking for a high quality shaker bottle to pick up and use as a reliable essential tool on your fitness journey, then get this one from Contigo because it's going to last you a lifetime.